What's up guys, James from Sikky Manufacturing. Really excited to show you today our brand new T56 short throw shifter we developed for the regular T56 transmission as well as the T56 Magnum F. So we're going to dive into the details of what separates this shifter from the others on the market and what makes it the very best for your application. Let's take a closer look. A couple quick key features that set this apart from most shifters on the market would be the O-ring seal for the transmission, so you don't have to worry about putting RTV, silicone, or whatever on there. You just clean off the surface, bolt it down, and you're good to go. We also sealed both the top and the bottom of the shifter with these boots to ensure no dirt or oil get in or out of your transmission. So we got the same setup on the top here, which prevents any dust and debris getting down into the key components of the shifter, which make it stay smooth and shift great for the life of the product. We selected only the highest quality materials and manufacturing processes to ensure the most reliable, long-lasting shifter possible. The compact design of the shifter also makes it easy to fit into other chassis where you might be running the T56 or T56 Magnum F. All right, so what I'm holding right here is the base of the shifter. It's the main component that if you're shopping on Sikky.com or with one of our vendors or dealers, you're gonna buy this as the main unit. And then you'll see there's a lot of options for the different shift levers and the adapters for the different offsets. And even if at the time of this video, what we have now, we're probably gonna be adding more options and variations to that as time progresses, because this same system is going to be incorporated into the rest of our shifter line. But either way, this gives you a lot of options to adjust and make it fit any scenario. So here's an example with the offset. As you can see, it's got the Sikky rod. So pretty simple, you loosen this bolt here and then you can rotate this around. This flips to get you the other 8 positions. And this can also be changed out to run all kinds of different items, like our 2-bolt adapter. If you want to offset to an adapter, it has the Tremec bolt pattern in it. It's really convenient. A lot of options, a lot of different fitment potential. So as you can see, this is the configuration for the F-body Camaro Firebird setup. So it's got the 1-inch offset for the shift lever here, which lines this right up with the factory hole and boot and all that stuff. So when you put your factory console back together on your F-body Camaro Firebird, it's gonna line right up. So we do have an option where you can buy this complete unit like this for a situation where you're replacing it, or like we showed you with all the other universal applications, anywhere there's a T56 or T56 Magnum F being used, you can use our different variations on offsets and shift rods and levers to create the exact setup you need to fit perfectly in your vehicle. Keep in mind too, if it doesn't line straight up with a hole, we make a whole bunch of other swap shifters that relocate the shifter forward or backward depending on the application. So pretty much have most of the options you need wrapped up, but we're constantly adding to our shifter catalog. So to find out more about our shifters and learn more about this shifter, make sure you log on to Sikky.com or get in touch with one of our knowledgeable sales reps today.